We really need to act. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Katia and today we're going to talk about law of attraction. So how to bring everything we want into our lives. What steps we need to take? What is that law of attraction? So before we jump into the topic, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me comments about things which you would like to attract into your own life. Law of attraction, it's magnetic power of the universe which attracts similar energies together. So how do you want to use this law of attraction? So let's begin with 3 steps which I personally took, and I think you guys should be taking it as well at anything you want in this life. So as a step number 1, what are we gonna do? Visualize it. What do you want? Picture it, think about it, visualize it. Close your eyes and see your bright picture. What do you exactly want?
You really need to ask the universe, give it to you. Universe not gonna give it to you if you're not asking for it.
You need to really want it. So first of all, visualize. What is this exactly you want? A car, a money, a house, a relationships? What is this? What do you want? Close your eyes and spend every day at least 5 minutes when you're waking up. Think about it. Feel it. Feel it so much that you already own it. Picture that is your reality. It really should be a reality. Think that you already got what you wanted. How would you feel? What would you be doing? What would you be doing with it throughout your day? How your life will be different. Think about those things and fully enjoy the experience of having it, owning it. I really want to share with you what I personally did and how I attract one thing into my life.
Actually, it's a very interesting story. Back then when I moved into United States,
I gained a lot of weight and all I want to have it was a 6-pack. Literally 6-pack. Had no clue what I was doing, I just wanted a 6-pack. I was visualizing this beautiful 6-pack all the time. All the time I was watching for the fitness pictures, and eventually what I did, I posted as my background on my Facebook page beautiful body and of the woman, and she had 6-pack abs. So every day by going into my page, I would see it. Every time I would go on my phone, I would see it. I had those pictures all over my place, and it was a constant reminder to me how to attract this into my life. 3 years later, I got what I wanted. Not even thinking that it was actually helping me. But my mind was so focused on things which I really wanted. In my case, it was abs, that I actually got it. So please, as a step number 1, visualize what do you exactly want. Feel it, experience it. Feel the happiness, enjoy, and all your emotions. It's really important to actually visualize things. As a step number 2, believe that you'll get what you want. Then take action. Baby, action is required. You're right. We need to think, but we also need to act. So what does it mean, taking action? It means you have to maintain positive expectancy about your goal and truly believe you can get it. Many of the people have limiting beliefs, and it's negative energy. What kind of limiting beliefs is out there? Well, let's begin. I'm not good enough. That's the biggest one. I'm not smart enough. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not fit enough. I'm just not enough at whatever it is. We're all thinking about those things day by day. And I'm sure all of us have something, I'm not good enough. However, you need to stop those thoughts and turn them into the positive ones. You need to truly believe you can get what you want and just go for it. Once you truly believe you get what you want, your mind started intentionally and unintentionally look for things. Just look and search for opportunities. You will feel they literally dropping into your life, and you will think, Oh my God, what a coincidence. Am I lucky? No. You send a signal to universe. You believe that you can get it, and those things that come into you, all you have to do is react on them and, of course, act on them. Step number 3. Receive what you want by becoming vibrational match for it. The easiest way to become vibrational match is to focus on creative, positive energy throughout your day. You need to feel joy, happiness, kindness, gratitude. All those emotions are gonna give you positive energy, and what happened? You're gonna give the positive energy back, and the universe will tell you, thank you. Thank you for your positive energy. I'm gonna get you what you want. So, part of my morning routine, when I visualize what I want, I tend to think about things what I'm grateful for. I think about 3 things on fully experience them and just being happy, being present in the moment, like I'm having it again. I would think about those positive, amazing things which happened in my life and just how I felt about them. And it was really, really amazing that I was experiencing them before. And as with everything, it takes time and practice. Law of attraction. It's a great way to bring everything you want into your life, because everything starts with this. It begins with your head, your thoughts, and your intention. So I want to personally share with you one thing I brought into my life, and I'm forever grateful for that. When I was young, I was watching Home Alone every single year around Christmas time. And for me, being grown and raised in Russia, I truly wanted to see in America, what is it like? What is in New York like? Everything was just so beautiful for Christmas, and every time I would go to bed, me as a young kid, I would picture myself being here, being in America, being in a toy store, being on the beach where I grown up, just watching those movies at all the time and kind of picturing how that will be, what would I feel. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just feeling it and experiencing it. However, it came to my life. By the age of 20, I decided to travel in the United States just for the summer. However, when I came over here, I felt right. It felt so good and everything made sense. Yes, I was on my own and I had to make my own way here. However, everything what I attracted into my life, I got it. And the more I focused on it, I was experiencing it more and more. So guys, it's just 2 of my examples how law of attraction works, and I'm sure you have some of your amazing examples too. So please tell me in the comments down below if you ever used law of attraction. What was it? What did you experience? Did it work? Also, please tell me if you've never done it before. What would you like to attract into your life? This is it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed my video. It's just something I really want to share with you, and just don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.